This is equal to, or y is equal to, directly taking square root on both sides, 1 by root 4 value 2 into root 64 value 8 is equal to 1 upon 16. So we got, if x is equal to 1 by 8, y is equal to 1 divided by 16. What is the point? Therefore, the required point is 1 by 8 comma 1 by 16. This is the general method. It is little bit lengthy only, but in above questions there is no lengthy, so directly we are solving the problems. In this case, we are going to, our option will be fourth option. Sometimes we should apply the by verification method also, or else we should use by verification method. So using verification method also we can find the point on the curve. So these are the models in the tangent and normals, and next model we have to see. Based on conditions, so slope given, find the point. Point given, find the slope. Conditions are given, find the points. So different type of questions are asking. Last time, very simple question given. Find the slope of the normal. The question is simple question. Last time this question also given, either 2017 or 18. Find the slope of the normal to the curve. This is NCERT example question. So remember all of you, NCERT example questions very important. So thoroughly we have to practice NCERT examples. The slope of the normal to the curve y is equal to 2x square plus 3 is, y is equal to 2x square, y is equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x at x is equal to 0 is. This is the question. What is the slope of the normal? To find the slope of the normal, what is required? Slope of the tangent. Very simple. First model again given. So based on the almost all completed models, so just I repeat the some more questions. So what is the given curve? Simply we take 2x square plus 3 sin x. And at what point at x is equal to 0 we have to find slope. So differentiation, find the dy by dx firstly. Dy by dx is equal to 2x square derivative will be 4x, derivative of sin x is cos x, 3 cos x. Now slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent at any point. Do you remember this formula? What is the slope of the tangent to the curve? M is equal to dy by dx at the point P, or x is equal to 0 here. Substitute x is equal to 0. This becomes 0 plus 3 into cos 0 is 1. So answer, slope is equal to 3. But the question is, what is the slope of the normal? Therefore, slope of the normal is equal to slope of the normal. Do we know this formula? Yes. What is the slope of the normal? Minus 1 divided by m. This is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. Hence, the answer will be minus 1 upon 3. So, like we are doing the questions always. So remaining here, for example, the question is asking the curve y is equal to, these are NCERT examples, the curve y is equal to x raised to 1 by 5 has at 0 comma 0. So here option number 1, multiple answers. First option is a vertical tangent. A vertical tangent. Option number 2, a horizontal tangent. Horizontal tangent. Option number 3, an oblique tangent. An oblique tangent. Next one, no tangent here. No tangent. So which is the true condition? Important model. Already given. If slope is equal to 0, if slope is equal to 0, what do you call? Horizontal tangent. So the tangent is called parallel to x-axis. The tangent is called horizontal tangent. If slope is undefined, what is the answer? Vertical tangent. If not defined means oblique means either vertical or horizontal. We don't know that is. No tangents. So in this case, how to solve? Simply find out the differentiation only. What is the curve? Y is equal to x raised to 1 divided by 5. Differentiation, we know that dy by dx is equal to x raised to n formula 1 upon 5 into x raised to 1 upon 5 minus 1 minus 4 divided by 5. This is also written as 1 divided by 5 into x raised to 4 divided by 5. Now find the slope. Slope m is equal to dy by dx at which point? At 0 comma 0. Substitute that 1 upon 0. This will be undefined. That means if slope is equal to undefined, what is the equation? That is called, the tangent is called a vertical tangent. This is our answer of the question. Very easy. So like we have to find the questions. So find the points, find the slope of the tangent, find the slope of the curves. So we have to solve that. And tomorrow class, we have to see the angle between two tangents and perpendicular condition, parallel conditions, like we have to find out answers. So tomorrow we have to complete the angle between two tangents, angle between two curves model problems. Okay na? Thank you.